The phrase, to be as to be perceived, is often associated with the philosopher George Berkeley. Berkeley's philosophy, known as idealism, posits that the existence of things is dependent on their being perceived or experienced. For example, consider a tree in a forest. According to Berkeley, if no one is there to perceive or experience the tree, it doesn't exist. In this way, he emphasizes the connection between existence and perception, challenging the notion of an independent reality outside of our experiences. In other words, the reality of an object is intertwined with its perception by a conscious mind. Berkeley argued against the existence of a material world, independent of perception, asserting that things only exist insofar as they are perceived by a mind, whether human or divine. This perspective challenges the notion of a reality existing independently of our perceptions and consciousness. Thanks for watching. Please watch out for more.